This just arrived on our doorstep. So I think it's time to unbox it, hey? What do you say? Let's get it open. Crossing my fingers for an easy one. It's small, but it could be deceptively complex. There's our tiny prize. Oh yeah, not too bad. Losing seats. There she is. Look at this little baby. Are you kidding me? Look at how tiny this thing is. This is so cute. Time to put down the little kickstand. Bing. Here you go. Wow. This is adorable. Let's get this thing unpacked. Ooh, yeah. That's an interesting shape. Look at this shape here for the battery. Can't get over how adorable this is. Bye. Just a quick, no screwing in necessary, just unfold, clip, boom. There's your little baby bike. So it's really just compact for like tucking in your closet, I guess. It's interesting, you know? You do these unboxings and it's like, you know, how long can we do this for? How many electric bikes could there be? They're all the same. It's just a bike with a motor on it. And then something like this shows up and you're like, oh no, the possibilities are limitless. I've said this many times before, but I think officially this is our quickest unboxing yet. This is adorable. I'm losing my mind. This is so cute. See if there's any surprises in the goodie box. All right, we have what appears to be, what is that? I think you do have a little surprise in here. Oh no, that's the little charger boy. And of course, as one might expect, tools and, ooh, a little light. I don't know if that's a brake light or a, oh, it is a brake light. Neato. So we got regular, flashy. You're gonna need that because people aren't gonna see you on this thing. You're gonna be like this on the road. You got a fender. Oh yeah, totally. That goes there. Okay. Beep. Fender on. One more little piece of installation. The pedals. Left and right labeled. Screw that puppy in. This is where the handy dandy wrench they gave me comes in handy. Spin that baby all around. Gotta put the pedal to the ground. You're gonna ride your bike electric style. Ride it up and down the boulevard. That's a boulevard, but it's kind of gross. Made of poison and asymptotes. All right.
Did you just make that up?
Yeah. Here is pedal number 2. It's on the left, so it's squickly do. You gotta spin it around lefty tighty. So my cameraman has just pointed out that these pedals appear foldable. And yes, they are. So let's see. Let's talk, you know, before we fully are done here, let us check this thing out in compact mode. So we got the pedals folded. Undo this guy. All right, and then it bends like this. So that's folded. It's folded in there. Pedals are folded. This is the king of compact. Professor Smith, this? Oh, it's my DU. What, you want to see it in action? Sure, no problem. What? I get an A+ after all. Thanks. We've got ourselves a little bike here, friends. That was the unboxing of the D3F from DYU. Adorable little bike. I cannot wait to ride it, but that's another video. This was just the unboxing. I'm gonna do a review real quick, ride it around, see how she rides, tell you all about it. That's in the next video, so there's a link down in the description. Look for it on the YouTube or the Instagram, wherever you are, and check that out. Check out all our other videos too. We got tons of them. I'm gonna do a little test drive, and I'll see you next time.